But you know that there are so many students, they have been taking English medium schooling many years ago, but after that they are not able to speak English. Who are they responsible for that?
This is because of schools and also us also. We are so lazy that we don't try to talk in English at that time.
Okay.
But like I am, I can talk in English, but I have no need to talk. Then only I have this much of a problem while talking in English.
Okay.
But if I talk it regularly, then
we may get fluency.
I get fluency
Okay.
in talking.
Okay. But you know that some teachers are not able to speak English.
Yeah, that is also.
But why they selecting this kind of teachers? But they have, what is the first process to take and we can say that the selection of the teacher. What is the process? They should take demo, they should take an interview. But they see their documents, DL, and PG and whatever they have come, but they haven't any kind of knowledge to how to speak English. So which kind of,
we can say a teacher should also be examined before getting admission, or we can say before getting selection.
okay,
Like in every field, nobody can.
every field needs in English.
No, in every field, just like interview is needed.
Yes.
In English, in a teacher, for teacher's job also there should be an interview.
Okay.
Which should be conducted by. It should be tough and hard to. We can say hard to.
Okay.
Qualify that interview.
Okay. So tell about what is the time?
What is time?
Time.
We can say time in many.
Time is important for us, but many people are wasting their time.
There are many people who wasting their time. Also, I can say about myself, I waste my time on mobile.
Okay.
Rather than
Mobile. What is the mobile?
mobile, we can say
Is the
actual
It's
meaning
source
of mobile is
source of communicate to each other.
Actual means of mobile is to teleport, or we can say to transport.
Okay.
But here in India, we are using mobile as a device which is used to communicate each other.
Okay. But some students are doing online study and offline study.
Yeah.
When it was conducted and during the corona online study, but it was not good for their students. But they were talking to their friends and during the study. But
it is not good for I guess for students like we can say up to 12th.
Yes.
Because after 12th a person get matured.
Okay.
But before 12th a person don't have any aim or we can say any guidance that only studies are needed in future.
Okay.
There is no need of this whole stuff we are doing on internet.
Okay. Yesterday you went to Ujjain. Why did you go there? Tell us about.
I go there because for blessing of Mahakal.
You went to blessing of Mahakal.
Yeah.
So how was your day?
We can say it was an amazing day.
Okay.
We came to know about many people there in line. We used to talk to people from there.
Okay.
They are mostly from Maharashtra only.
Okay. There were too much crowd.
There is too much crowd. About 4 hours we have to be there in a queue.
After Mahakal temple, then where did you go?
After Mahakal, then I go to Mangalnath temple.
Then you went to Mangalnath temple.
Mangalnath is said to be king of all the planets.
Okay. Did you go Shipra river?
No, we are so late that we don't have time to
It was yesterday. It was weather of rain. No.
No, it was a sunny day and it was also too hot there.
Okay.
Many people.
But it is said that Agar to Ujjain from this road is very
damaged.
So
we can't even drink water while in a car.
Okay.
If we try to drink water, there are so much shocks that we get full wet.
Okay. How many members were there?
We are 9 along with the driver.
Okay. So what do you think? What do you think about your future? What do you want to be in your life? I'm talking about your goal. Did you decide or not?
My big goal was to join Indian Army or Indian Navy, but
Okay. But you didn't get it?
unfortunately,
Okay. How old are you?
I am 20.
20 years old. Okay. When did your birthday come?
28 September 2001.
Okay. What's your hobbies?
We can say I can like singing and I
Which
like.
kind of singing do you use at your home?
I don't usually sing, but I like listening like singing.
Which kind of songs do you like to listen? Devotional song.
I like devotional songs related to Lord Krishna and Lord Shiv.
Okay. Are you devotee of Lord Krishna?
Yes, I am devotee of Lord Krishna and Lord Shiv.
Lord Shiv. What is the Shiv?
We can say Shiv is a destroyer of all the Kals and our problems.
Okay.
For me, he is like my father.
Okay. Do you go to temple every day?
Yeah, I go to
Which temple do you go to?
I go to Shiv temple daily.
Okay.
I offer
Prayer?
I offer prayer there, and also I used to do I offer water to them.
Okay. So how do you feel here with Pradeep sir?
It's good because Pradeep sir helped me to come out of my fear of talking. Like I guess I am eligible to talk, but he give me a hand that
I will make you the perfect learner and speaker to speak English. So don't be aged. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.